Houston, we have liftoff. We have liftoff. Yes, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching my videos. My name is DaVinci Jeremy, and we've seen Bitcoin and Ethereum take off exactly like I predicted. Told you that a few days ago, and here we are. Ethereum's over $2,000, well over $2,000, and Bitcoin is at 38K. Well, it hit 38K yesterday, and it came back down. We're going to be talking about that in today's episode. I'm not going to do the news. I'm just going to jump right into the TA. And if you're interested in trading, you can do so at bybit.davincij15.com or oks.davincij15.com. Links are in the description below. Okay, so looking at Bitcoin right now, we're seeing on the 4-hour, after breaking out above the resistance, they teased you a lot here. Like, hey, are we going to break out? No, we're going to dump it. And no, we're breaking out again. And so once we broke above that and it matched up with Ethereum, you can see that we were definitely headed higher with Bitcoin. And yeah, it was a big pump that, last night it was like when it was up here, hopefully we weren't buying it at 38 thinking, yeah, it's going even higher. That would have been a mistake. You should have been buying down here at the 35, 34, lower levels, right? I was telling you guys all this time, when we come back down, right, this is buying opportunities. Anywhere lower is buying opportunities for this move that was coming. Now, we should take this move with a little bit of caution because now, because it just pumped here up to 38 and it's in reverse, there is a divergence here on Bitcoin on the 4-hour, unconfirmed divergence though. It is this is not from here to there is not the divergence. You could say that this is a divergence from here to there, but it's the long time frame. So let's just go to daily and see if there's a divergence there. Yeah, there is a divergence in the RSI. Clearly, if Bitcoin the daily does not continue to pump higher, we can see the divergence confirm, and that means we could see some lower prices. But overall, I really think that Bitcoin has just started its move. We're going to see that Bitcoin will probably go up to at least the 42K before we actually stall out for a long time, for weeks or something like that, because you see that there is some resistance up in here, and there's traffic in that area of the 42K, but it will most likely stay around there for a while, and then we'll continue up to 48K. Once again, looking at Ethereum, I told you that Ethereum, it was tightening after it pumped above its resistance and turned it into support, and that was an indication that we were headed to rocket up to past $2,000. We did pause at the $2,000 mark, but the pause was only for one 4-hour candle rest, and then kaboom. Let's take a look at a longer time period. You can see that have we broken up to above this high here of no. It would be nice if we just looked above the $2,147 mark. If we get above that, then you can see that, yeah, this thing can really explode heavily. If we go down to the weekly, look left on the weekly, and I'm sure it's all red. And if that's the case, you can see that wherever it's going to stop on the red, yeah, it's all red on that side. So that means it's going to move just as fast. Going to see us move all the way up, probably to close to the $3,000 mark before we actually rest and start to like consolidate around that area. But the top of the market is approximately the 3,600 to. We can go as high as only the 3,300, but I really think that the $3,500 mark is where you could see a top for Ethereum, and then we roll over and retest the lower areas, because 61.8 is a key area for Ethereum and a key area for Bitcoin as well. Bitcoin 61.8. Bitcoin loves the 61.8 much more than Ethereum does. So we can expect that Bitcoin should roll back down at the 61.8. I would not wait for taking profits at exactly at the 61.8 on Bitcoin, because sometimes it likes to get close to it and then fail. Sometimes it goes above and then fails, so it's really difficult to hit. But Bitcoin generally likes around the 61.8. So that's one thing you need to remember. Okay, I hope you learned something today. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. If you did, hit the like and hit subscribe. And we'll see you guys tomorrow. I have an episode with Mr. M and myself. It's one to check out because we talk about what Bitcoin. We answer some questions about. Actually, we answer what questions about Bitcoin. And obviously, one of those questions is what Bitcoin is. All right, thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys Monday. Cheers.